just come back from Shaka, and that's in Durban. And yeah, it was lots of fun. We went on all the rides. It was pretty sick. And we're staying in this little like apartment. So these are beds. That's mine. This is my sister's. And this is our dressing table. I like it a lot. This is my cardigan. And then there's this nice top. And then my heavy pants. And then my sandals. And then so yeah, those curtains are very attractive. So we just came back from Osaka. It was tons of fun, and we swam. We hung out with a few friends. Well, I hung out with a few friends, and went on most of the rides, I think. And Osaka is like a water park. And so you enjoy my adventure with me. Yay. I'll show you the apartment. Okay, so we just arrived, my sister and I. We just came back from a day at the bird gardens, and then we went to this Japanese garden. It was so pretty, and there were like little Japan roads and stuff there. And then we went for tea with one of my mom's friends, and that was fun. Well, actually, it was okay. And I had a coffee, well, a hot chocolate and some coffee with it, my thing. Then had some lemon cheesecake. That was amazing.
Brownie.
I had a brownie. Well, my mom ordered the brownie. So, that's what we did in this outside. Like, just saw me recording, it was very awkward. Oh, she's funny.
That's not funny, that's why the curtains are closed.
Okay, so, that's what we did. And this is my outfit of the day. I'm wearing this dress. dress from factory. It was 160 rand. I don't know how much that is, and I don't know if you have one in America or the United States, but yep. And then I got this, wearing this jean jacket to keep me a bit warm because it was quite breezy today. And then I had my hair in a plait. Don't know if you can see it. There. And then I tied it. Okay, yeah. And then I tied it on here, and then I just
Don't touch.
plaited it to the side. My shoes. I'm wearing my sandals again. And then on my toes I'm wearing a bourgeois. It's a lilac-y colour. And on my nails I need to repaint them again because they got damaged. But I'm wearing this gel shine. The Max Factor Gel Shine. I've got some mess, but Max Factor. And then in this, my signature finger, I used the Bourgeois. It's in the colour or the shade 11, and it's 10 days, so it lasts up to 10 days. Well, it's still on my finger, so I think that's good. And then I also got this nail polish like 2 years ago when I was in London. It's George Quick Dry Nail Varnish in the shade number 9, and it's called Cloudless Sky. It's a nice colour. I think I'll redo that for my toes because they're coming off. And then I got this one my mom gave it to me. It's like a top speed 60 seconds, so it dries our nails, but camera batteries. Oh, and then we went to this restaurant called Memo's. It's like a cafe place. I'm there for tea on Sunday, Monday or Sunday. Monday. It's like this Italian place and had little like scooter things. I like that. I think that's all. But wait. Boy. Oh, another person stayed at me again. Yay. Bye.